I actually did buy a brand new pair of headphones. The Sony WH-CH700N wireless noise canceling headphones. So these were on sale. These usually go for $250, I believe, Canadian. It was on sale for $110, so I had to get it. Headphones are awesome. So it has 35 hours of battery life. It has HD calling, it has quick charge, so it can charge. So if you charge for just 10 minutes, your headphones will last an hour. So it kind of gives you some perspective. It does come with a headphone cable as well, so if you do want to go in wired from wireless, you have the power to do so, which is just awesome. That's the best part. So it also does come with an app that you can download, and you can actually control the EQ, the bass. You can turn on noise canceling on the app. You can control basically all of the headphone features off your phones. That's pretty cool. Look how premium that looks. That's awesome. Doesn't that not look like 200 bucks worthy?
That's pretty nice.
Jeez.
I'm kind of annoyed.
Why?
I want headphones like that.
These look awesome. So I'm gonna give you guys my first impression of it. Build quality seems pretty good. Like I can bend the headband pretty hard and nothing is happening to it. So it does have the USB cable right here, and it does have the wired connection. Wow. These are very, very comfortable in the ear. These headphones completely cover your ear, so it's pretty nice. It's like very cushiony. This is coming from someone that's like super, super picky with technology, so take it from my opinion and for what it's worth. These feel awesome. Wow. I give these double thumbs up. But anyway, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like down below if you guys did, and subscribe if you guys are brand new to my channel. We're on our road to 200 subscribers, so that's gonna be awesome. But 16 subscribers away, so share the channel with your friends, family, dog, cat. Just get them to subscribe. Anyway, I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace. How are the headphones? Rona, how are the headphones? Rona, hey, how are the headphones? That right there just proves that these things are noise canceling.